Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. This is my ODK desk right here, and I want to share something really important with you about this desk. Now, this desk right here I've had for many years, and as you can see, it's very durable and strong. I love that this desk is easily cleanable, and I use it every single day. Now, I wanted to point out something about these ODK desks that speaks of their quality, and that is that when you're putting together the desk, I've noticed that most of these ODK desks have no unfinished sides on any of the planks. Even the sides that you might not see, they went ahead and finished it, and I really think that shows that these are very high quality desks. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.